Hello, it's me again, Curtis Macleod, and this week I'm down by the lochside. I'm talking about nature's larder that you can find here if you only know where to look. So, I mean, obviously, there's a variety of shellfish, you got your mussels there, and for our vegetarian friends, there's all kinds of edible seaweeds one can have. And, oh, looky here, this here is a sea kelp. In fact, it's called sugar kelp because it has a sweet taste. It's like a kind of sweet marzipan you might have had in a scoonie cake when you're a nipper. Anyways, talking about, I was with my wee grandson Archie at the weekend. We were sitting down together and watching one of his wee cartoon films there together, you know, Jungle Book or Bambi or some such. And young Archie, he turns to me, he says, "Parps," he calls me Parps. He says, "Parps, do they know the difference between a Highlander and Walt Disney?" And I said, "No, actually I don't. Can you tell me the difference between a Highlander and Walt Disney?" And he says, "Well, perhaps the Highlander wears a kilt, but Walt doesn't." Good eating.